C-frame hydraulic press is also a type of stamping machine, characterized by its compact structure and small footprint, making it suitable for installation and operation in confined spaces. It can be used for various processing operations such as low-tonnage crimping and assembly, offering strong versatility to meet different processing needs. The machine features high precision, high efficiency, and strong reliability. Its open C-frame frame design, welded frame, and reinforced structure make it sturdy and durable. It can also achieve multi-station assembly and is equipped with automation solutions for fully automated production. The servo system ensures precision within plus or minus 0.01 millimeters and pressure stability within plus or minus 1 bar, reducing noise and saving 50 to 70% energy. It has clamped oil pipes to prevent leakage, an integrated oil circuit for easy inspection and maintenance, and is equipped with safety devices such as dual hand start buttons and light curtains to ensure operator safety. Automatic alarms and fault diagnostics provide peace of mind. The user-friendly interface and intelligent system offer various stamping modes, built-in memory parameters, and easy operation. Optional configurations include protective covers, anti-drop devices, LED lighting, infrared grids, full hydraulic cushions, ejectors, edge pressing devices, and high-speed sliders. Additionally, we produce simplified C-frame hydraulic presses without a servo system, offering an economical choice. For more information about the applications and advantages of servo presses, feel free to contact Zyro Technology Company, Limited. You can visit our official website at https://11euromachinery.com or reach us via email at luna@zyrotech.cn. We look forward to hearing from you.